Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll go over the campaign overview module inside CronySoft's backoffice. This is used to create and send SMS marketing campaigns to your customers directly from your CRM section. To begin, go to the CRM, then click Campaign Overview, or use a smart search instead. On the main campaign page, you can see a list of campaigns that were already created or sent. Each row shows the campaign description, total customers, total usage, date created, and status. If a campaign has already been sent, the status will show as sent. To create a new SMS campaign, click the Add button. This opens the Send Coupon screen. The campaign process is divided into 3 steps. Step number 1 is set up coupons and SMS. Step number 2, select the customers. And step number 3, preview and send. On the left side, you will see the Insert Variable section. These options let you add different types of customer information, coupons, links, images, and promotional content into the SMS. The middle section is the SMS content area. On the right side, you can see the SMS preview, which shows how the message will look before sending. This helps you review the message before moving forward. Now let's go over the insert variable options. The first option is customer name. When you insert customer name, the SMS will include the selected customer's name when the message is sent. This helps make the message feel more personal instead of sending the same plain message to every customer. Next is add a coupon. This lets you add a coupon to your SMS campaign. When you click add coupon, you can select from existing coupons. You can also click the plus button to create a new coupon. When creating a new coupon, enter the coupon description, amount, minimum order value, and valid days. The coupon preview will show how the coupon will appear to the customers. Next is the special link. Special link is used for items and specials that are currently running. That could mean even items in your specials or mix and match. This is useful when you want to send customers a link to current store offers or active specials. Next is item link. Item link is used when you want to promote a specific item. For example, if one product is on sale or you want to push one item to customers, you can include that item link in the SMS. Next is group link. Item group link connects to the deals group created in the CRM under deals group. If you already have created a deal group, you can insert the group link into the SMS so customers can view the items included in that promotion. Next, we have tobacco discount. This sends a loyalty discount link to the customers. When customers open the link, they can view the loyalty discount items available to them. Next is tobacco coupon. This is also used for loyalty discounts or tobacco-related coupon promotions, depending on the campaign setup. Next, we have SMS image. This allows you to add an image to the SMS campaign. Images are useful when you want the promotions to look more visual, such as a sale graphic, coupon image, or store advertisement. Finally, there is order link. The order link is used for products that are available to be ordered online. This makes it easier to send customers directly to items they can purchase through online ordering. After selecting the variables you need, write your SMS message in the SMS content area. For example, you can write a message like, "Hello," you can put the customer's name after that, and then type "Enjoy 20% off with coupons," add your coupon, you can put "Shop here." As you type, the message preview on the right side updates so you can review how the final message will look. Before moving to the next step, always check the messages, links, coupons, details, and expiration information. Once the message looks correct, you can then click Next. Step 2, this is where you select your customers. On the left side, you will see the available customers list or the customers that have been added to the back office. This list includes customers' names, phone number, email address if available, and last visited information. Select the customer or customers you want to send the message to. Once selected, the customers will appear on the right side under Selected Customers. This helps you confirm exactly who will receive the campaign messages. After selecting the customers, click Next. Step 3 is the final preview before sending. On this screen, you can review the SMS message again and confirm the selected customers. You can also see the SMS count, credits required, and available credits. This is important because each campaign uses SMS credits based on the number of messages being sent. If you want to test the message first, use Send Test SMS. If changes are needed, click Edit or go back to the previous step. Once everything looks correct, you can then click Send. The campaign message will be sent to the selected customers. You can also save the campaign if you are not ready to send it yet. Once sending the campaign, you will have to add a description name. That description is for the campaign that you will be running, and that is for internal use only. After the campaign is sent, it will appear on the main campaign page. From here, you can review the campaign description, total customers, usage, date created, and status. If you want to review more details, you can click the Overview option. This opens the campaign overview screen where you can track activity related to the message. If your campaign included coupons, item links, item group links, or special links, you can review the history and customer activity. This helps you understand whether customers opened or visited the links sent through your campaign. You can also review the coupon usage if coupons were included in the campaign. This gives store owners a better way to track customer engagement and campaign performance. And that's how you use Campaign Overview in CronySoft BackOffice. With Campaign Overview, your customer list becomes more than just saved phone numbers. It becomes a tool to bring customers back and increase repeated sales. So that's it from me today on the Campaign Overview. I'll catch you guys in our next module.